What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I've been asking my community here on YouTube to hook me up with ideas for content so that I can create content that has value for you. So if you have an idea of something either that would bring value to the channel or you're struggling with something in DJ business or performance, I want to hear from you. Just either reach out to me in a comment here on YouTube or hit me up on Instagram at Jason Jani and just send me a quick private message. Introduce yourself, tell me what you're struggling with and how I can help. I'll do my best to create content for you right here on the channel. Now, I want to conquer this one question that I've been hit up about quite often, not just recently, but over time. And it's, what would I do if I had $10,000 to invest to kind of create more opportunity, the ability to earn more at events possible? And the answer to me is very, very simple. So sitting here at my desk, the beginning of November 2021, if I had $10,000 to invest to create more opportunity, what would it be? Very, very simple. Photo booth entertainment, specifically the Salsa booth. And I'm going to put a link to that down below. It's an incredible way to create opportunity to make additional income while you're working at events. These booths can run essentially by themselves, or you can pair them up with an attendant. You can print with these booths. You can do so much, and it'll help you easily increase your contract bottom line, giving you the opportunity to not only earn your money back for the investment quickly, but more or less easily, and it'll help you do more things. Essentially, allow you to market differently to different people, and it'll hopefully help you land more jobs in the future. So the first thing I would do is spend $3,000 on a Salsa photo booth. Again, I'm putting a link in the description field down below where you can get a Salsa booth right here today. $3,000 or less. Just check it out on the link in the description field below. I would then take an additional $1,000 and I'd buy an iPad Pro, one of the 12.9 inches. And then I'd probably spend $1,000 on getting a couple backdrops and getting all the other ancillary equipment you could use to help broaden the space in that one market, whether it be 2 or 3 different backdrops, whether it be the poles, whether it be marketing materials. I would spend $5,000 right up front, number one, in the photo booth business, specifically the Salsa photo booth. Now, to give you a summary on the Salsa booth, I love this booth, and I'm in the process of converting all of the other booths in the SCE and Snapshot photo booth fleet to only be Salsa photo booths. Why? Because they are super easy to transport. You can take this booth to events in the front seat of a convertible car. I mean, they require very little space. They are super easy to transport, and the operation of these booths is insane. You can actually stage these booths remotely, meaning you don't have to open the booth up to put on the files to be used at the event. You can actually do it from your desktop or laptop or even phone. Yes, it's that easy. The booths are super feature rich, and I think that you get the most for the investment. If that wasn't enough, these booths not only do pictures, they do boomerangs, they do GIFs, they do green screen. They have the Facetune feature that is known specifically from the Kim and Kanye photo booth stuff. They allow you to do a virtual photo booth option as well, and so much more. If you want to get some information and real granular information on this booth, check out the video right above or check out the link in the description below. If you are looking to boost your business, the Salsa photo booth is a surefire win. It is so easy to use, so easy to operate, and just, it's a no-brainer. That's why it's number one on my list. Now, for the rest of the $5,000, where would I spend that? Quite simple. For me, it's lighting. And if I was a DJ that didn't own uplighting, that would be my number one, because for us in New Jersey, uplighting is a very, very popular thing. It works at all types of events, not just weddings, and it helps you change the atmosphere of the events that you're doing. It's quite easy to maintain, it's quite easy to operate, and it's easy to kind of move around. As a matter of fact, we often do jobs at SCE Event Group that are just uplighting alone. Now, if you're in an area that has a lot of uplighting or downlighting installed in the venues that you work at, I would take that money. I wouldn't invest in 24 or 30 or 32 or 36 uplights. I would take that money. I would buy 2-meter towers with 2 30-inch or 36-inch base plates. I would also invest in 2 moving head fixtures, and I'm going to put a link in the description field below into this whole kit that I'm able to put together for you guys, courtesy of the team from B&H, that has everything in one shopping cart. So you'll have 2 of my favorite Chauvet moving heads, you'll have 2 truss towers, you'll have base plates, and you'll have the equipment needed to supply these towers with wireless DMX signal with your Show Express controller. Now, that's $10,000. And what it can do is bring reciprocal income each and every time you do an event. It helps broaden your portfolio, giving you the opportunity to do more, to charge more, and to make more money, being more profitable when you work at events. Photo booths alone could generate profit of $500, $750, or even $1,000 per event profit once the booth is paid off. And lighting depends on your area, but could generate another $500 to $1,500 per event in terms of additional dollars and cents that hit your contract bottom line. If I had $10,000, that's exactly how I would spend it, assuming I had a DJ booth, assuming I had a full sound system, and I had all the proper gear to rock parties, wireless microphones, maybe a DJ booth, furniture system, and of course, proper sound, both tops and bottoms. By the way, I love RCF. I'm just throwing that out there. But I'm going to put links in the description field below for my Salsa photo booth, as well as for the lighting configuration where you could spend money on either moving heads or uplights to help you boost up your bottom line. My name is Jason Jani, and if you have a question, something you're struggling with, you need help with something, hit me up because I'd love to hear from you. Hit me up on Instagram at Jason Jani, or throw it in a comment right here. I'll do my best to respond to every single person and even create a video for you to help us all push our industry forward. Thank you for watching this, and be on the lookout for more content dripping right here in the days, weeks, and months ahead. Thanks for watching.
Jason Jani.
Jani.